I want us to look right now today at the word access. We're either giving the enemy access to our lives or we're giving God access into our lives. Access is a meaning of approaching or entering a place. It is permission, liberty, or the ability to enter, to pass through something or a way to communicate with a person or thing. In Ephesians 3:12 it says, "In whom we have boldness and confident access through faith in him." This access to God comes by our faith. The Father has given us access to him. So this is the good type of access, where we can come boldly to God when we have given him full access into our lives. What access points are in our lives today that give the enemy access? Well, here are some access points for the enemy in our lives: shame, lies, disobedience, unforgiveness. You see, the enemy always exploits our weaknesses when we give him access into our lives. We get a choice today with God whether he will access our life or the enemy will access our life. The choices that we make and how well the outcome becomes is determined by us. We have to shut down all access points and lies that the enemy is telling us. The father of lies will always come through access points in our lives. That leaves us open to accusations and torment. Let's close those access points where the only access is Jesus. Let's open up new access points in our life this year of faith, humility, and trust. I want the Father to have full access to my heart. Let's not give him partial access. Let's give him full access to us. These are exciting times that we are living in. God has always been good to give us a choice in every situation. Let's make the right choice this year and live in a place of freedom and liberty because we've given God full access to us.